Hello students, welcome back. I hope you are fine and safe at your respected homes. I Kuldeep, your Sikh history mentor. Students, in this video we will discuss lesson number 3 related to Bhai Mati Das ji. We will discuss how Bhai Mati Das ji was being martyred. So let us start to discuss this chapter. Bhai Mati Das ji was born in Karyala village of Jhelum district. Now it is in Pakistan. His father was Shri Hiranand. He had 3 brothers named Bhai Sati Das ji, Jati Das ji and Sakhi Das ji. His father took him to Guru Har Rai ji along with his brother Sati Das. Bhai Mati Das ji was given the title of Diwan at the time of Guru Tegh Bahadur ji. He was a great scholar of Persian. He was a master of mathematics and was a physically fit person. Guru Tegh Bahadur ji loved him very much as he always obeyed Guruji. Guruji always took Bhai Mati Das with him wherever he went for preaching. The Kashmiri Pandit, after being tortured by Emperor Aurangzeb, led by Pandit Kirparam, appeared before the Guruji at Anandpur Sahib for the protection of their religion. They told Guruji that Aurangzeb forced them to embrace Islam. Guruji offered all conceivable help to the helpless people and even decided to put his life at stake for the honorable cause. Guruji decided to sacrifice his life for the sake of Hinduism. Aurangzeb immediately ordered to arrest Guruji at Agra, where Guruji was preaching. Guruji had only 5 of his devotee Sikhs, Bhai Mati Das ji, Sati Das ji, Dyala ji, Gurdas ji and Bhai Jetta ji. Guruji sent back Bhai Gurdas ji and Bhai Jetta ji from Delhi. Guruji along with Bhai Mati Das, Sati Das ji and Dyala ji was kept in prison. They were asked to embrace Islam or perform miracle, but none of them accepted the wish of Mughals. Finally, Aurangzeb ordered to kill all of them. The Qazis decided to torture and kill Guruji's companions before his eyes. They thought the sight of their suffering and fate might shake Guruji's faith. He might be inclined to save himself by agreeing to their proposal. He might embrace Islam, so they picked out Bhai Mati Das first of all. It's a matter of 1675. Bhai Mati Das was sentenced to be sawn across from head to his loin. The Qazi said to him, "Have you any wish which you would like to be fulfilled before you are killed?" He replied, "I request only that my head be turned towards my Guru when I am executed. In that way, I shall behold him to the last moment of my life here." His wish was granted. His face was turned toward Guruji. He was tightly tied between 2 flat logs of wood. The executioner placed a double-handed saw on his head. It was very terrifying sight. All the attendants were surprised to see it. Nobody had ever seen such a martyrdom before. Even the executioner and the Qazi who sentenced the punishment were shocked to see it. Bhai Mati Das did not lose his faith even for a moment. The saw began to move to and fro. Blood began to flow down Bhai Mati Das' face and neck. Very soon the area was covered with blood. He did not utter any cry of pain. His face showed no sign of suffering. He was calmly reciting Japji Sahib. His body was cut into 2 pieces and then fell down. It is said that even as the body was being sawn into 2 pieces, Japji Sahib continued until it was completed. Guruji, after witnessing the martyrdom, said, "Great is the Sikh and great is his martyrdom." So, Bhai Mati Das sacrificed himself but did not go away from the Guru and his teachings. So students, we should also tie and pray before the Almighty to bless us so that we are also united with the teaching of Gurbani. Now we will discuss question answers. See first question. Where was Bhai Mati Das ji born? Bhai Mati Das ji was born in Karyala village of Jhelum. Now it is in Pakistan. Second, name the Sikhs who were arrested along with Guru Tegh Bahadur ji. Bhai Sati Das ji, Bhai Mati Das ji and Bhai Dayala ji were arrested along with Guru Tegh Bahadur ji. Third, what did the Qazi ask Bhai Mati Das ji before his martyrdom? The Qazi asked, have you any wish which you would like to be fulfilled before you are killed? Fourth, what was Bhai Mati Das ji answer to the Qazi? Bhai Mati Das ji answered that my head turned towards my Guru when I am executed. Fifth, how was Bhai Mati Das ji martyred? Bhai Mati Das ji was tightly tied between two erect flat logs of wood. The executioner placed a double-handed saw on his head. Blood began to flow down Bhai Mati Das ji's face and neck. So in this way, Bhai Mati Das ji was being martyred. So students, these question answers you will write on your fair notebook, and back exercise you will do on your book. Thanks. Stay safe, stay home and take care.